Yes, go turn on the light.
Why me?
You.
Well, you're closer.
Fine. Something grabbed me, Jasmine.
Yes.
Where did the fidgets go?
No, Fidget. Hi everyone, it's Jazzy and Allie. If you're new here, press the subscribe button and give us a huge thumbs up. Who's at the door? Let's go check.
I wonder who's at the door.
Yeah.
It's probably Destiny. Probably she forgot something. What? There's no one. Hello?
Hello.
There's no one. Maybe it was just a trickster. Hey, Allie, did you close the door?
No.
But nobody closed it. It was open all along. Who's in there? It's in the dark.
That's cute.
There's light sticks.
Hey.
There's a clue. Or what is this? A note? Let's see what it says. I can't see. If you are wondering who was at the door, here's a hint. It's the same person who took your fidgets. Who took our fidgets? But who? If you want your fidgets back, you will have to complete a scavenger hunt. Let the fun begin. What's scavenger hunt?
Yeah, me too.
What's scavenger hunt?
What are you sitting on the back of me?
Huh?
What's in the back?
It says, the first place that you should look, it's inside of your most favorite book. We have books right here. Let's look.
Yeah, like JoJo's favorite book.
Oh yeah, my favorite book is JoJo. Look at you guys. What's this? I think this is going to be the most fun scavenger hunt. And also, I really want my fidgets back.
Yeah.
Halloween is full of treats. Go to where you bake lots of treats. Kitchen! We bake a lot of treats in there. Like brownies, cupcakes. Wait, how are we going to go to the other side? Okay. What about if I don't fit? Well, at least I can try. Ugh, I don't want to drag myself on the floor. That was cold. Old. Hello.
That's cool.
Oh, I didn't even see you. Even ghosts and goblins need the rest. Your next clue can be found where you sleep best. Then, in that room, the bedroom. Oh man. Not again. Good job. You're doing it. Good job, you guys. Let's go to our bedroom. What could be the next clue? Let's go in. This is where we sleep. Under here? No, I don't see anything. Do you see anything? Right here!
Oh. Yes, it goes.
It's a witch. Witches have a crooked nose. Look where she would wash her clothes. The laundry room! Let's head over there again.
Cool. I thought that And I go this and I go down.
Wait, you guys, does it mean that we have to pass those streaks again? That was fast. Wait, what's that noise? I hear something in the laundry room. Hello? What is that light inside the... I'm scared. I don't want to... Ellie. What is that? I'm scared of a little tiny zombie. You got the milk? Okay. If you see a vampire, be sure not to stare. Your next clue can be found right under a chair. A chair? Yeah. If you see a vampire, be sure not to stare. Your next clue can be found right under a chair. A chair.
Jessie.
The table? The dining room. You got the lights. Alright. Alright, the dining room. Right over here. Let's see. They said under a chair. Let's check. Oh, there's one over here, you guys. Appa. Eyeballs? Ew! The eyeballs? I'm not sitting on this chair ever again. It gummies. It's gummies? Let's eat them. Mmm. This is so delicious. Wait, I hope these aren't real. What about if it's like real eyeballs, but they're a little gooey? I'm not. Alright, we don't want to waste our time, so let's read a clue. Jump on me rather than the ground. Jump higher than all that's around. Jump on me rather than the group. Jump higher than all that's around. Where can we jump? Wait, outside we have a trampoline, so we can jump on that. Ali, do not go by there. Take her! Oh, wait. Oh, she's brave enough. You go first. There? Okay, nothing happened. Alright, hey, buddy. What are you doing? Hey, what is that? It's a toy. Huh? It's a toy. It's a toy? It's a rat. Don't touch me. Ah! You already touched me. What is that? Hello? Are you alive?
Follow.
Okay, let's get down so we can read to the vlog.
They follow too, Jessie.
Huh?
They follow on the follow
There's even spider. I didn't even. Oh, why did I just go on? I hate spiders. Let's read this though. Now it's time to go back inside because it's too cold. What's back inside? Look for how the TV is controlled. The TV is controlled by a control. Let's go. And what clue? Over here. Not rats again.
I need toys.
Okay, thank you. The control. Ah! There's spiders in there. Don't. Scared. How is Ali brave enough to put her whole entire... It's gonna bite me like a vampire. Alright, let's read this now. Go to the things that you use to travel around. A car? A car? I want to go to a car. It's dark outside.
Maybe inside.
What about if it's inside the car? Let's go. Yes. Head out. Let's travel somewhere. You sure you want to do this? You're not scared?
No.
I'm scared.
They're lies.
What about it's poisonous? Ali, don't touch it. You're gonna faint tomorrow.
Yeah, only these.
Okay.
Look.
Nothing in there. Let's check in the truck.
Here.
Go up here. I can't. What about here? Oh, move back. Our Fidgets!
Oh, cool.
What is this? If you're wondering what I look like, don't worry, I'll be back. It'll be back! So now we have our Fidgets back, but we don't know who it is. There's a pumpkin! Are you our mystery guy? Nope. Okay, bye. I wonder who it is.
Yeah.
Yes, I finally got the back. I was so worried I never got the back. And the good thing is that he'll be coming back again, and we can find out who he is finally. And what about if he's a pumpkin or a ghost? Even a vampire with some
Also
blah blah
witch.
blah teeth. Witch?
Yeah.
Witch?
Yeah.
Oh, the witch.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I'll be
the
flying around. Whee! Check out our next video if we can find out who it is. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up and press the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Scavenger!